Greetings, information seekers, and welcome to another quick tip from ProQuest Dialog. Let's talk about patent assignee searching, when you go into one or more of the patent databases to identify all of the patents or published patent applications owned by a company or person. Usually you're searching on a company name. Maybe you need an inventory of the intellectual property owned by your company or a client. Or it could be you're doing due diligence for a merger or acquisition or a refinancing. Or maybe you want to research a company's background by looking at the kinds of technology that they've developed over the years. Whatever your reason for doing it, the Patent Assignee Search is one of the most commonly done searches on ProQuest Dialog, and you'll want your search to be both accurate and complete. There are at least 3 ways of doing this search on ProQuest Dialog. I'd like to show them to you and suggest the best way to do a patent assignee search. So let's get started.
For best results, use a database that tracks any changes in the patent ownership. INPADOC covers the most countries. IFI Claims database is U.S. patents only, but it has a number of search enhancements and is a great choice if your focus is on U.S. patents. So now let's look at ways to do the search. If you're viewing a patent online, like this INPADOC record, you'll see some things highlighted in blue, meaning you can click on them to search for other records that match that information, such as the patent number, or the inventor, or the assignee. So we can just click here on the assignee name, Volkswagen AG, and get an automatic search for all the patents owned by that company. It's one click, and we get over 36,000 hits. Nice and easy. Now notice this searched on the exact PA or the exact patent assignee name, Volkswagen AG, so this would not get variations like Volkswagen of America. Also, a PA search alone doesn't get patents that were initially owned by someone else, but later reassigned to Volkswagen as the new owner. So here's another method. Using a command search. We can go into a basic search box and type PA, pair, P-A-R-E, parentheses, Volkswagen, close paren. This will get anything where the word Volkswagen appears, alone or with any other words, in the name of either the original owner, that's the PA, or in the legal status section as a patent assignee reassigned. That's the pair search. And this gets over 37,000 hits, about 1,000 additional records. But there is a third method. Go into Advanced Search, and over on the right side, we set this drop-down box to Patent Assignee PA. A link appears for Look Up Patent Assignees. We click that, and we get this nice blue pop-up window called the Look Up Assignee tool. And this will really add power and flexibility to our search, as we're about to see. In this box, we'll type Volkswagen. I'll leave this on Contains. Click Find, and here we have all of these choices. I'll start by checking all of them like this, and let's see what we have here. We have some with other words before Volkswagen. We have Volkswagen AG, but there are different versions of it. They're not all exact. And here we have quite a few with the AG abbreviation spelled out, or in some cases misspelled. And you might be surprised how often company names are spelled wrong in the actual patents, but this lookup tool will help you to find those. This one here looks like it might be a person's name, so I might uncheck that. Or maybe you'd want it, but the point is that by using this list, we can pick exactly which names we want and which ones we don't. And notice this one, Volkswagen Work. It's a longer word, but it contains Volkswagen. And maybe we didn't anticipate that when we began, but in fact, that is one of the company's older names. And look, they have over 4,600 patents. Down here it says Next 100, but in this case it's grayed out. So we've got everything, and we're ready to click Add to Search. This takes us back to the search form, and all the names we checked off are in this box. So we have a really good PA search here, but remember the PA field will only show the original owner even if the patent has changed hands. So now we set this next drop-down to Patent Assignee Reassigned, Pair. Again, a link appears. Look up New Assignees. Click that to get another blue pop-up, the New Assignee Lookup tool. Again, we type in Volkswagen, click Find, and here we see all these variations. And all these look good. It's very common, by the way, for reassignee names to include a location or part of an address. So I'll select all of these, and then at the bottom right, this time it says Next 3. So we click that. This shows us a few more. So we select those, and now we can click Add to Search, which brings us back to the search form. So now we see we have all of our PA names here. We have all of the pair names here. But there's one more step before we run the search, and this is very important. We want to change this AND connector to an OR, because we want to get everything either owned by Volkswagen from the start or that was reassigned to them, all rolled up together in our results. And that's what the OR connector does. So now we can click Search, and we are done. And we get over 42,000 hits. That's an increase of more than 5,000 patent publications compared to our first search method. So let's review. We can go to Recent Sets and look at the numbers. First, we clicked on the assignee name in the online view of a patent record. It was quick and easy, but it is an exact assignee name search, and it got us 36,000 hits. Then we used a command search to look in the PA and pair fields for just the basic word of our company name. So this was a broader search with 37,000 hits. So either one of those methods is fine if you want a quick estimate of a company's patent portfolio. But then we went into the advanced search mode and dropped down to the PA and pair fields to get the Lookup Assignee and Lookup New Assignee tools. We chose from a whole range of names in those blue pop-ups, and we OR'd the PA and pair searches together, and we got over 42,000 results. And that is why I suggest this method, using the assignee and new assignee lookup tools in advanced search, as the best way to do a patent assignee search.
So that's it. I hope that tip will help you to achieve better research, better results, and better insights using ProQuest Dialog. If you need some help or you have questions, give us a call or send us an email. And until next time, happy searching and enjoy the rest of your day.